Check it out. I'm about to show you how to pair and set up wireless CarPlay on your Acura MDX 2014 to 2017. We're here in Raleigh, North Carolina, Hamilton Motor Company, and we design custom upgrade kits that put CarPlay and Android Auto functionality right on your original Acura, Honda, Lexus, and Toyota home screens. This system preserves a variety of your factory features, including your steering wheel controls, backup camera, factory Bluetooth for audio, navigation, and more. We're going to have a full installation video, but today I'm going to show you how to pair and set it up. Let's dive in and get started. I'm now going to show you how to pair and set up CarPlay and the audio. Watch this video very closely. We're going to be using the Acura's factory Bluetooth to fully maintain original sound quality in your factory microphone. We will start here on the Acura main underlying operating system. We'll touch Settings, and I'm going to now show you how to pair your phone to the Acura Bluetooth. Come here to Audio Settings with the wheel and touch Enter. Bluetooth Device List and touch Enter. And you need to make sure that you have an empty spot. We'll go ahead and do Add a Bluetooth Device. It says make sure your Bluetooth is on and discoverable on your mobile device. This is a great time to pull out your iPhone, open up Settings, and then Bluetooth, and make sure it's on. And let's touch OK. We're not going to take any manual action from the iPhone yet. Let the car search. After about 30 seconds, it will discover your phone. And there it is. That's the name of my iPhone. I'm going to go ahead and select it and touch Enter. Now on the phone, touch Pair and Allow to Contacts and Favorites. Give it about 30 seconds and wait for the phone to pair to the car. You'll see how the menu's changed once it's successfully paired. The Acura will automatically take you back to the device list. Now let's set up CarPlay. Go ahead and long hold this back button to the left of your knob for 3 seconds. This is the Hamilton underlying operating system. This goes below CarPlay where you can configure important settings. Use your wheel to touch Settings, System, and we want to make sure this setting is on. Use car's Bluetooth channel. This is telling the car and the Hamilton device that we're going to be using the Acura Bluetooth for phone calls and audio. As long as you've got that on, we'll go back to the home page, pull out your iPhone, and go back to Bluetooth. In your iPhone, now turn Bluetooth off and on, and scroll to the bottom where you'll see a Bluetooth device starting with Hamilton. Touch it. When the pairing code pops up, touch Pair. Contacts and Favorites, Allow. And if you see a blue button that says Connect to CarPlay, click Connect. Now we'll wait about 15 seconds, allow CarPlay to check for apps, and there it is, wireless CarPlay. When you get in the car next time, the Acura Bluetooth will automatically connect to your phone for audio, and CarPlay will automatically connect from the Hamilton upgrade kit. Long holding the back button here for 3 seconds will allow you to switch between CarPlay and your factory Acura system. We're going to have a full installation video for this product, as well as a lot of helpful articles in the Help Center, help.hamiltonmotorcompany.com, Acura upgrade kits. We have a lot of important details there. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. We back all of our products with concierge-style customer service in Raleigh, North Carolina, and a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. It means we're going to treat you the way that we would want to be treated. I'll see you in the next video.